Flax seeds come from a blue flowering plant that originated in Europe. The seeds are a little bigger than sesame seeds and have a smooth texture. Flax seeds have a nutty, earthy flavor and a slight crunch to them. To take advantage of the health benefits of flax seed, it is usually not eaten whole but ground to allow the nutrients to absorb naturally. Ground flax seeds can also have some crunch, depending on how coarse it is milled. While flax seed is what comes from the flour, the true benefits come from the oil in the seeds. What are the benefits of flax seed oil? There are numerous benefits of flax seed oil. The most documented benefits of flax seed oil are about the essential fatty acids, including omega-3s. Deficiency of omega-3s can lead to many serious health concerns. In fact, the FDA raved about the benefits of flax seed oil and omega-3s when it agreed that flax seed oil is the best known vegetable source of omega-3s. These fats help produce prostaglandins that maintain healthy skin, joints and cell membrane structure as well as promote cardiovascular and nervous system health. Some more specific health problems omega-3s can help are coronary heart disease, arthritis, cancer, skin problems, stress. Flax seed oil is also a natural laxative able to help those with sensitive stomachs. It helps eliminate stomach acids, it soothes stomach ulcers and bowel problems, it lubricates and absorbs toxins, therefore preventing toxic buildup. How will my hand mill help me? As noted previously, the benefits of flax seed oil are not available without first grinding the seeds. Most electric mills do not have the capability of grinding flax, or any other oily grains and seeds. One of the best ways you can grind flax is with a hand grain mill. The best hand grain mills have the option of attaching stainless steel burrs instead of stone milling heads. This allows the mill to grind oily seeds. Simply take your hand mill, attach the stainless steel burrs and grind away. Instead of buying flax seed oil in a bottle, you can buy the seeds and produce your own personal flax seed oil. Milled flax seed can be put in nearly anything. Put it in your protein shake or smoothie. Sprinkle it on cottage cheese or over a baked potato, add it to soup or yogurt, or add it to bread and other recipes. With its tasty nutty flavor, it can be added as a supplement to nearly any food.